A trip of your own to embrace the nature and freedom. Photography should be the same. Welcome to Hubsan Zino tutorial series. We will be introducing the follow me mode function in this video. Tips. The aircraft needs 6 or more GPS satellites and pass GPS accuracy tests to activate follow me during flight. The altitude and distance need to be kept between 5 meters and 15 meters. During follow me mode, you can manually control the photo and video function. Enter the app interface. Select follow me mode. The app interface will switch to a real-time video. Select your target manually. Tap on Go button. The aircraft will begin to follow the movements of selected target. Whether it's walking or jogging, the Zino is capable of tracking accurately, making photography easier than before. Tap on Stop button on the left corner to exit Smart Imaging Tracking mode. Thank you for watching.